I just wanted to make this really quick video. We've been asked the question whether you can control the facial capture of the face separately to controlling the body with a game controller or with a keyboard. I don't think many people know that you can do this inside of Iclone. So and this can be done using Motion Director. So basically all you need to do is you've got your character set up, go to Motion Live, connect whichever facial capture, whether it's AccuFace or Live Face, and in here just start with Motion Director mode. I've got an Xbox controller plugged in, but this will work with a keyboard as well. And then if we hit preview and spacebar, so now you can see the facial capture is working, and if I move the character around, he will walk about, and you can see below the control, the buttons for doing stuff. So like B will glance at watch, hit Y and he'll think. X is jump. We can also so you can change all the hotkeys as well and set these up for whatever you want them to be. If you was to hit cigarette while it's in cigarette mode, you can light that one. Press B to smoke. Testing 1, 2, and then we can X to leave, and that will put that away, and it'll carry on talking. At the moment, I've got him set up so he's looking at the camera, but we can turn that off. But I think it's quite good to have him, like always, looking at the audience. Though it goes a bit weird if he tries to walk too far. Again, you can set a hotkey so you can turn that. You should be able to turn that on and off with a hotkey somewhere. But yeah, it's a pretty cool feature with a lot of control that don't really realise. Let me right, stop this for a second. Let's turn off his look at. Set him free so it's not so weird when he's walking about. But yeah, it could be a really good option for VTubing. So now, yeah, when I'm walking about, really what you want to do is, like I say, set a hotkey so that you can turn on the look at camera and stuff when he walks around. But things like glance at watch is going to work now. And oh yeah, the back button to zoom in and out. You can move this camera around. But yeah, I wanted to make this because I think a lot of people don't really realise that this is even possible in Iclone, and it's a handy little feature, especially if you want to set up a VTuber